In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Instagram. If you're looking for a quick, reversible break from social media, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to temporarily hide your account so your profile, photos, and activity aren't visible until you decide to come back. Start by opening a web browser such as Chrome, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. This process works best in a browser, and it's the most consistent way to access the deactivation controls. In the address bar, go to Instagram.com and sign in with your usual login details. Make sure you're on the official site and enter your credentials securely, especially if you're using a shared device. Once you're logged in, head to your profile. Look for your profile picture icon in the corner of the screen and select it to open your profile page. From there, choose Edit Profile. This takes you to the settings area where you can adjust details about your account. On the Edit Profile page, scroll all the way down. You're looking for the option labeled Temporarily Deactivate My Account. On a mobile browser, you'll typically find this just below your bio section. On a desktop browser, it's usually near the bottom right of the page. Select that option to proceed. Instagram will now ask you to share why you're deactivating your account. This is a simple drop-down menu with options like needing a break or privacy concerns. Pick the reason that best fits your situation. After choosing a reason, you'll be asked to re-enter your password to confirm that it's really you making this change. This is a standard security step. If you're on a public or shared computer, take a moment to ensure no one else can see your screen while you enter it. When you're ready, select Temporarily Deactivate Account. A confirmation prompt will appear just to double-check your choice. Confirm, and that's it. Your account is now hidden. Your profile, posts, and interactions won't be visible to others while the account is deactivated, and you won't appear in searches. This isn't deletion. Nothing is permanently removed. If you decide to return, simply log in again on Instagram.com or the app, and your account will be restored as it was. Keep in mind it might take a short moment for everything to fully reappear. If your goal is a clean pause without losing anything, this is the safest, easiest route. And remember, you can repeat these steps whenever you need another break.